Have you ever wondered how the lives of great sages, saints, and divine beings came to an end? In every age, their earthly departures carry profound lessons, some shrouded in mystery, some glowing with divine serenity. Each story reminds us that even the wisest souls face the inevitable moment of transition, yet they do so with grace, awareness, and purpose. The great sage Maharshi Jaimini, a devoted disciple of Veda Vyas, was renowned as the founder of the Purva Mimamsa school of philosophy and the author of the Mimamsa Sutras. His teachings delved into the sacred meaning of Vedic rituals and the eternal law of dharma. Legends tell that Jaimini's life came to a tragic end in an encounter with a wild elephant. Though little is known about the exact moment, his name continues to live through his deep philosophical insights and the stories of his dialogues with his Guru Vyas, and even the four wise birds who once guided him in understanding the mysteries of the Mahabharata. The Buddha, the Enlightened One, attained his final liberation, Mahaparinirvana, at the age of 80, in Kushinagara. His last meal, offered with devotion by the smith Kunda Kammarputta, is said to have caused the illness that led to his passing. Yet, with perfect calm and compassion, the Buddha lay down between twin sal trees, giving his final teachings on impermanence and peace before entering the eternal stillness of nirvana, a serene departure that remains one of the most profound moments in human history. Panini, the brilliant grammarian whose Ashtadhyayi stands as the bedrock of Sanskrit grammar, is remembered for his unmatched intellect and concentration. So deep was his immersion in study that, according to tradition, he did not notice a lion approaching and met his end at its claws. Scholars still observe the day of his passing, said to fall on Treyodashi, as a time of silence and reflection, honoring the sage who gave language its eternal form. Lord Krishna's departure from the world was as divine as his life. After the fall of the Yadva clan, he sat in deep meditation beneath forest trees near the sea. A hunter named Jara, mistaking Krishna's foot for a deer, shot a poisoned arrow that struck the Lord. Realizing his mistake, Jara fell at his feet in despair. But Krishna, with infinite compassion, forgave him, for it was the destined moment marking the end of his earthly play. With a serene smile, the Lord left his mortal form, ascending to his celestial abode beyond the limits of time. And then, there was King Parikshit, the noble grandson of Arjuna, whose story marks the dawn of the Kali Yuga, the age of darkness. Having once offended a sage, he was cursed to die within 7 days by the sage's son. True to fate, on the final day, the serpent Takshaka, disguised as a worm hidden inside a fruit, bit the king, fulfilling the prophecy. The legendary poet Kalidasa, a radiant jewel in the crown of Sanskrit literature, is immortalized through his timeless creations, Abhigyan-Sakunthalam, Meghdutta, and Kumar Sambhavam. Yet, the story of his death remains shrouded in mystery, woven through threads of legend and devotion. One tale recounts that goddess Parvati, angered by Kalidasa's vivid portrayal of her sacred union with Lord Shiva in Kumar Sambhavam, cursed the poet, leading to his death. Another tradition places his end during the reign of King Kumara Dasa of Lanka, suggesting that the poet met his fate on the island's soil. A more tragic legend speaks of a jealous woman who, upon discovering Kalidasa's verses, slew him to claim the reward for his poetic brilliance. Yet another story whispers that the great poet breathed his last during a pilgrimage to a Vishnu shrine in southern India, journeying alongside the poets Bhavbhuti and Dandi. If these timeless stories of wisdom and destiny inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such divine tales from ancient India. Let's continue this journey together, exploring the mysteries, morals, and messages hidden in our sacred traditions.